This is going to be a video tutorial on how to change modes in Google Docs. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have my browser open now and I am logged into Google Docs. I have a little example project here. To change your viewing modes in Google Docs, if you look off to the upper right hand corner, you can see I'm in editing mode. But if I want to change to either suggesting or viewing mode, you just click this drop down. And as you can see, I have the check mark next to editing. That's the mode that I'm in. You can change it to suggesting mode or to viewing mode. I'm going to click on viewing. Now, as you can see, I've went into viewing mode. My toolbar has disappeared. Now, to change back into viewing mode, I now have a different button. It's a button with a little eyeball on it. If I put my mouse cursor in it, it says viewing mode. I'm going to click on it. And now I can change back to editing, or I could go to suggesting. I'm going to change back to editing mode. That is how you change your viewing modes in Google Docs. Thanks for watching.